change Mobile Legends loading screen intro, KineMaster and Explore apps are recommended. KineMaster will work for editing your video and Explore will work as your file manager. Now, after opening KineMaster, go to the settings and scroll down. Then go to the advanced and experimental settings. Then enable these three switches. It will save your edited video at high quality smoothly. Now, let's start editing small intro clips by clicking on the Create New button. Then choose a 16:9 screen ratio, or for widescreen phones go for 2:35:1. Now the first two clips we need for making our video. The first one is a small clip of the MLBB 515 video together, and the second is the intro golden logo clip of Mobile Legends. The music video of Together can be downloaded from YouTube. You need to find the golden logo of MLBB. Select the song clip that you want to use for the intro and then select the main lines of 30 seconds. If you have a fully song video, you can trim it by dragging the edges of the clip. After that, click on the layer button and select media. Now select the golden logo intro of MLBB now. By touching the bottom right corner, you can adjust its size. The screen will come after the moon tone logo whenever you open Mobile Legends. This golden logo will come for 4 to 5 seconds, then the video will start. Perfect, it's already done now, but just in case you need more effects, you can add one more overlay on it. Although by using two clips of your choice, you can make any type of intro. After that, we will go to the same place and drag this green screen. It is a clip where this loading screen is placed if you see it properly. After adjusting this, we will go to the chroma key to remove the green color. After enabling it, the green color will be gone and only text and the loading bar will be left, and now things will look more realistic. But before that, make sure to connect the two clips without any gap, and it is done. Before rendering or saving it, make sure to check the ending section. Cut the clip if they are not ending at the same time. If your music video is longer than the video, trim by selecting the scissor icon. It will be available at the top right of the panel. Now, select trim to right of playhead for removing the right part of the clip. Now it is ending at the same time, so it will not look choppy. So now when the video is ready, click on export to save it. Click on the icon on the top right of the screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.